Good evening and welcome to the April edition of the Niceville Business Forum. We are here at the beautiful Rocky Bayou Country Club. Of course, the CCB Community Bank Boggy Bayou Golf Classic is going to be hosted right here at Rocky Bayou. And Rocky Bayou is the only member-owned golf club in our area. Make sure you give Andy Potter a call for information about some affordable membership options. In that light, our very first guests today are from CCB Community Bank, and we have Mr. Alan Wood, which is the Florida president, and Don Collins, which is city president. You guys don't need any introduction here, do you? Alan, you've been in the area since 2009, is that right?
That's correct, and joined the bank in that year. Our office in Crestview is where I've been operating out of, and over the last 2 years we've been planning our new office here in Niceville.
Sure.
I'm glad to say that we opened it 2 weeks ago today, and are glad to be a part of Niceville now.
Certainly, and while it's a brand new building here in Niceville, CCB Community Bank's not new at all, is it? You guys have been
That's
around?
correct. CCB's been around for 65 years. We're based out of Andalusia, Alabama, have a branch there, and then Opp. And in '07 we came into Florida, into Crestview.
Fantastic.
And hoping that our growth plans are going to continue in Florida, and that's where we're focused on right now.
Well, tell us a little bit about that big, beautiful bank up on the hill there in Niceville.
I'm going to let Don describe that.
All right.
It's a different concept in banking, and I want to invite everybody out to come out and take a tour of it. Every employee out there is a universal employee, so whoever greets you at the door, our goal is to greet you within the first 5 seconds.
That's a challenge, all right.
and the teller line is really in the middle of the lobby now, so the employees wander free. So whoever greets you, be it a transaction for your deposit or cash a check or open an account, that person will help you throughout the process.
How fantastic.
We're trying to go back to old school customer service, but the technology of today's world that will support that. So if you want to go online, you can go online in the lobby. We have the video phone coming in. Our safe deposit box now is hand. You don't need a key to get in. It's just your handprint. So
how cool is that?
I encourage everybody to come by and take a tour of the building.
You know, all this technology has done some great things, but one of the things it's done is kept us away from each other, hasn't it? And you guys are going to fix that problem.
We're going to try to combine both, because you still have the market segment out there that wants to see their banker eye to eye and shake hands, and then you've got the piece that wants to get on the technology side. So we're going to try to do both.
Hey, do both, and do both well, I'm sure. We had a fantastic open house there, and that
we did. We were very pleased with the chamber open house on the I think 21st of March. We're estimating anywhere from 200 to 225 people there, and it was a great turnout. And we thank the ambassadors and the chamber for allowing us to host that.
And it looks like CCB Community Bank is hitting the ground running here in our own Niceville chamber. You guys are our corporate sponsors. Tell us about this year's Boggy Bayou Golf Classic.
We're excited to be the premier sponsor of this event. That's something about our culture. Being a community bank, we want to be very active in the communities that we serve, and a large part of that starts with the Chamber of Commerce in each market we're in, and we're going to be sponsors at a lot of different events during the year with the Chamber, and we're excited about being the corporate sponsor of this year's golf tournament.
Certainly.
Hopefully we can also put a team in that might be a challenger. I doubt that, though, but we're looking forward to it. We're going to have a lot of people out that day from our organization and helping out, and providing also support with the goodie bags and things of that nature as well. So we're very excited about it.
Well, we do appreciate your sponsorship. I understand there's a couple other sponsors involved in the Golf Classic too. We got Niceville Insurance doing the hole-in-one challenge, and of course, if you get that hole-in-one, they're going to get a chance to win $10,000, so another reason to come out. And of course, Dave Morrow, I know him, the Ryland Morrow Agency is our putting sponsor this year with partner Universal Insurance of North America, so we're looking forward to that.
Hopefully we'll have a day like we have today on that Friday. I tell you what, this weather will get you very excited about wanting to play golf, right?
Sure.
Especially with it being Masters Week too. So
if someone wants to participate in the tournament, are there other sponsorships available that are out there?
There are hole sponsorships I know still available. From what I understand, the tournament's actually full as far as the number of teams. So if you don't have a team in yet, you need to be talking to people that maybe do have a team in it and trying to get in on their team. So
we might be able to raffle off our teams.
Right.
I didn't think about that. Raise a little money that way for the chamber. Huh?
I was going to mention one other thing, yes, Dave, talking about our office. We're going to start our grand opening celebration beginning next Monday.
Sure.
And every day next week we're going to be offering door prizes each day, and then at the end on the Friday we're going to have 2 grand prizes. Everybody's name will be put into, and if you win during the week you'll still be in the grand prize drawing there on Friday. And we also are going to have a shred truck there on that Friday, which this time of year with taxes and things that coming together, people can bring out their financial information and we'll shred it for free. And it's been a very popular thing we've done at some of our other branches in the past. So would love for everybody to come by and check our branch out and meet Don's staff there and have a cookie or two or coffee.
Stop by and say hi and find out what's going on at CCB.
Right.
Sure. Well, it looks like you had a good start with the 200 that showed up at the after hours, and I'm sure the shred truck and the other things are going to be a great draw to get some folks into your store and then find out what y'all got going on.
Well, we're excited about being the first out parcel in that development.
Sure.
And of course, Publix was announced at our grand opening that day that they've officially signed, and they're going to start construction probably in the next 30, 60 days.
Wow, that'll be great.
And I hope that, well, we know that development's going to take off, and we're just glad to be the first one there. And so working with Valpy Realty and Pat, it's been very, very beneficial for both.
Yep. We got a couple other housekeeping things we need to talk about for the golf tournament there. Folks can still participate. Businesses can still participate, can't they? I mean, we're always looking for door prizes and
volunteers.
And
I would encourage anybody that has an interest to call Tricia and her staff there at the office, chamber office, and see how they could help.
Yeah, 678-2323, and there's goodie bags that need things stuffed in them, and we also need help stuffing goodie bags, so make sure you get those. And of course, if you want to sign up to do any of those things, go to nicevillechamber.com or 678-2323 and chat with Tricia and the ladies in the chamber office, and they'll get you all set up. But I think it's fantastic you guys stepped up to be our golf sponsors this year, and God bless you on your beautiful new branch. That is just fantastic, and I'm guessing there's probably some more expansion in your future.
Yeah, we're gonna get this one up and going, and again, Florida is our focus right now, and there may be some other opportunities in the area as well. But again, we're right now devoting a lot of our energies to Niceville, and very excited to be here.
We need to remind the folks when and where the golf tournament's going to be.
April 26th, right here at Rocky Bayou Country Club, and I think Alan's kind of guaranteeing a day like today. So that's in his job description from the president. Yeah.
Since he is the Florida president,
yes, he's responsible for the weather.
Yeah, we're going to work on that Chamber of Commerce day that day.
Is that it? It looks like we've got a fantastic day. CCB Community Bank Boggy Bayou Golf Classic is 26 April, like we said, right here, Rocky Bayou Country Club. Make sure you get in touch with the chamber if you've got anything. And how do folks find you guys at the branch?
We're right on John Sims Parkway. You can 1502 John Sims Parkway. They can come on by anytime. They can give us a call at 279-3886. So either way, we're like I said, please come by and take a tour and just see the facility.
It sounds like a fantastic place, and I certainly need to get over there since I missed that business after hours. I'll get in before the week's out.
All right.
Alan and Don, we want to thank you both for all your sponsorship and your help here in our community, and your brand new branch right here in our community. We appreciate your confidence in us, and I'm sure the community is going to reward you with some great business.
Great. Thanks, Dave.
Stay tuned. We've got another great segment coming up, and you don't want to go anywhere.